Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey guys, I'm Clyde Demery. Welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Me and Paul Man Bass, and I see him coming from the other pond. We had to go across one pond to get to this pond. So I ain't gonna tell nobody where this place is, man, because it ain't hard to find. Pretty much a lot of people know where it is. So with no further ado, let's see if we can get on some big bass today, guys. Should be a good one. Y'all stay tuned. Uh-oh. Got one. Got one. Got one. All right, guys, let's get this first little guy back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it. Let's go. It's like, you know something? I don't know what color this thing is. I don't know what color it is. Like, it's got brown, it's got blue, it's got purple. It's got brown and the purple stripes in it, and for this trailer, it's just a regular old cheap trailer. It's black, it's got red and purple flakes in it. So, but it is a crawl. It's from the crawl family. So let's get it back in here, see if it'll work. Well, it's working, but let's see if we can keep it working. Oh, they're gonna win. Gotcha. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bass number 2. Bass number 2, y'all. Let's get on the board. Still about the same length. Fat chunky rascals though. My goodness. You know how chunky and fat these bass is. I'm on the phone, what you doing? Alright guys, I don't know if they're getting any longer or not, but they're getting fatter. Check it out. Let's get this one back in the water also, guys. But man, it's a beautiful day out here to be fishing. I tell you. Let's get her back. Hey guys, all right, bass number 2. Let's get her back. Thanks, buddy. Really appreciate it. Yeah, man. Seem to be working. Let's get you on the board, buddy. GoPro, start recording. Because I know I ain't recording. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's much better right there. Much better, much better. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Man, fishing these little tight corners, overhangs, whatever it is in the water, that's what I'm hitting with that jig. And guess what, guys? Got on my 3rd one, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Good fish. All right, guys. Let's get this. Did I put it? Yeah, I put it on the board. Let's get this one back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that. Thank you for coming out to visit. Let's get back under that tree.